Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Getting no licks in the band. Legacies.
Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make your own thumbnails. First select the file. Select the transparent background. Then go to place and select an abstract image. Download from Google.
I'm far from home, no place to go, but I don't feel cold. I've been so blind, just
Then resize
lost
it.
my mind. But all I have lost I find.
After resizing, press OK. And then go to filter, select blur and select Gaussian blur. And then select the amount of blur how much you want. Then again go to file, go to place and select an PUBG PNG. You can download it from Google also. I will give the link in description. Download from there. Then select the PUBG layer and right click on it and select blending options. Now follow the steps. You can select the shadow as much you want. Then when it's done, go to text and type what you want. Now as I am showing you the PUBG thumbnail, so I am typing here players unknown battlegrounds. So first type players, then select it and move it like this. You need to use the text headline text. I will give you link in the description. Download from there. After it is done, write the other word. After it has done, first select the players layer and go to blending options. And again do the same step. But just go to Gaussian shadow and select what you want. Sorry, gradient shadow. Then click on unknown layer and do with it again. Just follow the steps. It is very easy to make your own thumbnails. Now after everything is done, go to File and select Save.
But I don't feel cold.
Preset it to JPEG file, then click Save. Then press OK. Now all done, you have created your own thumbnail. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe for more.